Revolut Savings Vaults are a flexible and convenient savings feature within the Revolut app, designed to help users grow their money efficiently. These vaults offer competitive interest rates, which vary depending on the user's plan. For example, in the US, standard customers can earn up to 3.25% APY, while premium and metal customers can earn up to 4.25% APY. In Europe, such as Ireland, interest rates range from 1.7% to 3.49% AR variable. Interest is calculated daily and paid monthly, allowing users to benefit from compound growth over time. One of the key advantages of Revolut Savings Vaults is the flexibility they provide. Users can withdraw their money at any time without penalties, making it an accessible option for both short-term and long-term savings. Additionally, there are no minimum deposit requirements, so anyone can start saving regardless of their financial situation. Setting up a savings vault is simple. Open the Revolut app, navigate to the Vaults section, and create a new savings vault. You can set your savings goal, choose the currency for the vault, and enable features like roundups, which automatically save spare change from everyday purchases. You can also set up recurring transfers to automate your savings growth. Funds in U.S. savings vaults are held with partner banks like Sutton Bank or Lead Bank and are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, ensuring the safety of your deposits. In Europe, Revolut works with trusted banking partners to secure funds while providing interest rates tailored to your region. Revolut also allows you to save in multiple currencies, which can be useful if you have international financial goals. The interest rates are tied to your Revolut plan, so upgrading to a premium or metal plan can unlock higher rates, though these plans may come with a monthly subscription fee. The security of your savings is a top priority, with Revolut employing advanced fraud protection measures and 24/7 in-app customer support. In summary, Revolut Savings Vaults are an easy-to-use and secure way to save money while earning competitive interest rates. With the flexibility to withdraw funds anytime, no minimum deposit requirements, and the ability to automate your savings, it's an excellent choice for individuals looking to save for specific goals or build their financial stability. Whether you're using the standard plan or upgrading for better rates, Revolut makes saving simple and rewarding.